If you're tired of paying professional detailers hundreds of dollars to remove swirl marks, I feel your pain. I know it can be scary to take a power tool to your car's paint, so I went out and bought the top 5 car buffers and polishers to test them myself. I checked the vibration, the power, and the safety features to see which ones are safe for beginners and which are just total junk. Product number 1, Chemical Guys torqx. I started with the Chemical Guys torqx. Holding this, it feels super balanced, not too heavy, not too cheap. It's a random orbital polisher, which means the pad oscillates while it spins. When I tested this on a black hood, I didn't burn through the clear coat because that 8mm throw keeps the heat down. The 700-watt motor is punchy enough to remove light swirls, but it won't run away from you. My favorite part is that it comes as a full kit with the exact pads and compounds you need. You don't have to guess what to buy. If you are a total beginner terrified of ruining your paint, this is the safest entry point. It practically does the work for you. Product number 2, SPTA 5-inch Dual Action. I picked up the SPTA Dual Action next. This thing feels a bit more industrial in the hand, and I really liked that I could swap between the side handle and the D handle depending on the angle I was working. It's got a 750-watt motor, so it felt slightly more aggressive than the Chemical Guys unit. I cranked it up to the highest speed to attack some deep scratches, and the constant power feature kept the speed steady even when I pushed down hard. It comes with a massive bag of accessories, including sandpaper, which is cool if you need to do headlight restoration. If you want a comprehensive kit that can handle sanding and polishing without breaking the bank, give this a look. Product number 3, LDH-THOPI Buffer Polisher. I switched gears to the LDH-THOPI. Now be careful, this is a rotary buffer, not a dual action. That means it just spins in a circle. When I pulled the trigger, I could immediately feel the 1600-watt motor kicking in. It is a beast. I used the wool pad on an old boat with heavy oxidation, and it cut through that haze instantly. However, you have to keep it moving or you will burn the paint. The 3 different handle positions helped me keep a grip on it, which you absolutely need with this much torque. This isn't for a casual Sunday wax, but if you have an old truck or boat with dead paint that needs a heavy cut, this is the muscle you need. Product number 4, GVLIFE Buffer Polisher. I moved on to the GVLIFE, which is another 1600-watt rotary unit. Despite the high power, I noticed this one ran a little quieter and felt smoother than the LDH-THOPI. It weighs about 4.5 pounds, so my arms weren't screaming after doing a roof panel. It has a trigger lock, so I didn't have to hold the button down the whole time, which is a huge plus for big jobs. The soft start is nice. It doesn't jerk your wrist when you turn it on. It stripped away some nasty water spots on my test panel effortlessly. I'd say if you want that rotary power but want something slightly more refined and comfortable to hold for long periods, this is a solid step up. Product number 5, AOBEN Car Buffer Polisher. I finished up with the AOBEN Dual Action Polisher. This felt very similar to the first one I tested, but with a slightly larger 6-inch footprint. The yellow plastic head shell actually does a good job of insulating the heat, so it didn't get hot in my hand after 20 minutes of use. I tested the safety stop feature. If you press down too hard on speeds 1 through 3, it stops spinning. That is awesome for beginners because it physically prevents you from damaging the car. The throw is smooth, and it left a swirl-free finish on a dark blue sedan I worked on. If you're on a tight budget but want a safe, reliable dual-action machine for weekend detailing, this is the bargain pick. So if you are new to this, stick with the Chemical Guys or AOBEN dual-action polishers. They are much safer. If you're fixing a boat or totally wrecked paint, the rotaries are the way to go. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and good luck with the detailed job.